Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.0% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks staged a modest rebound as traders put aside concerns about interest rate rises and the crisis in Ukraine to dip back in. But global equities are still headed for their worst January since 2016, after a bruising month. Thailand has axed plans to levy a 15% tax on cryptocurrency transactions following pushback from the country's crypto traders. AMD's $35 billion all-stock deal for Xilinx is now expected to close this quarter after more than a year of delays.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's 10-year bond auction will be released at 0335 GMT. The US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1500 GMT. The UK's market manufacturing PMI at 0930 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 0330 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0130 GMT. The US market manufacturing PMI at 1445 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.